Birds are incredible creatures that come in various shapes, sizes, and colors. They play a crucial role in our environment, contributing to ecological balance and providing us with beauty and inspiration. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify different types of birds, understand their unique characteristics, and appreciate the importance of birds in our ecosystem. In this lesson, we will embark on an exploration of the fascinating world of birds. What makes a bird? Feathers. Birds are the only animals with feathers. Feathers help them fly, keep them warm, and provide protection. Beaks and bills. Birds have beaks or bills adapted to their diet and way of life. They can be long and slender for reaching nectar, hooked for tearing meat, or cone-shaped for cracking seeds. Wings. Wings are a defining feature of birds, allowing them to fly. Not all birds can fly. Some, like penguins, have adapted to life in the water. Hollow bones. Birds have lightweight, hollow bones that aid in flight. This adaptation makes them agile and capable of covering long distances. Diversity of birds. Types of birds. There are thousands of bird species worldwide. Some common types include songbirds, raptors, birds of prey, waterfowl, and game birds. Migration. Many birds migrate over long distances to find food, breed, or escape harsh weather conditions. This behavior is a marvel of nature and showcases their adaptability. Importance of birds. Ecosystem balance. Birds play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance by controlling insect populations, dispersing seeds, and contributing to nutrient cycling. Pollination. Certain bird species, such as hummingbirds, play a crucial role in pollination by transferring pollen between flowers as they feed on nectar. Indicators of environmental health. Birds are often considered indicators of environmental health. Changes in bird populations can signal shifts in ecosystems and alert scientists to potential environmental issues. Fun facts and activities. Bird watching. Engage students in a bird watching activity. Provide binoculars and bird guides, and encourage them to observe and identify local birds. Build a bird feeder. Many birds migrate over long distances to find food, breed, or escape harsh weather conditions. This behavior is a marvel of nature and showcases their adaptability. Importance of birds. As a hands-on project, students can create simple bird feeders using recycled materials. Hang them in the schoolyard to attract local birds. Research project. Birds are not only remarkable in their diversity and beauty, but also essential to the health of our planet. By understanding and appreciating birds, we develop a deeper connection to the natural world. Assign each student a bird species to research. Have them present their findings, including habitat, diet, and interesting behaviors, to the class. Conclusion. Birds are not only remarkable in their diversity and beauty, but also essential to the health of our planet. By understanding and appreciating birds, we develop a deeper connection to the natural world. This lesson aims to spark curiosity about the avian wonders that share our environment and encourage students to become stewards of the feathered friends that enrich our lives.